Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, and on tonight's video I'm going to be making a flower. My daughter asked for a flower to be made that she can store outside or she can keep outside, and I thought, you know what, I've got just the idea. I've been talking to Mick Dews, who gave me last week's bit of wood and also this piece as well, and he insisted that I coloured this one, and I agreed. I think this would definitely adopt a colour. So he sent me a photo actually of something that he'd done, and I was like, do you know what? I'm going to steal that, and I'm going to try it myself. So that's what we're doing tonight. So at the moment, I am just making a tenon with the Easywood mid-size range. And now just coming in with Klingspor Abrasives, starting at 120 and working up to 400. Now I'm going up to 400 because, like I said earlier, I am going to colour this. 400 to 600 is recommended by Hampshire Sheen.
Has that company said anything else to you?
So now we've flipped it around, the bottom's done. I haven't put any finish on there because I'm going to be using the Carnival Colours, and I want to do the whole piece in one go. So now I've just got the mid-size #1 hollower there, just hogging out the centre portion. Now I'm going to use a bit of a different finish to what I normally do on these, because it is going to be going outside. We'll get to that in a little while. So there we are, reducing that centre mass down. I do want to keep a little bit in the middle, so I want that raised up. So it's like the bud of the flower. I just keep coming to the side there every now and again just to see how big I want that, how deep I want it. Just trying to get the proportions correct, that's all. I just need to take a little bit more off that side wall. Now just doing some finishing passes with the mid-size finisher. And there we go. I'll show you a little bit of the sanding, but I won't show you it all. This is the first grit, this is 120. I'm not sure if I did say, but like I said, this piece of wood is ash, and it's a lovely bit of ash as well. So there we go. So I've got the Dremel out here now. This is the 8240 with the flexi shaft, and I'm just slowly working through some bits and put a few petals on there. I quickly swapped bits out there. I wanted a bit more of an aggressive cut. That first one was working, it was doing fine, but I swap it out, and I swap it out again in a minute, and then come back to these finer ones for finishing off. I'll list all of the accessories that I used for this in the description below, in case anybody's interested. So there we go, and now onto the colouring. Now I did forget to press record, so luckily I'd not done it all. So I'm using the Carnival Colours yellow here. I did want this to be really super bright and cheerful, if you like. So I applied a few coats, let it soak in, then applied a few more. And I didn't realise until I started editing this, but if you actually look at that, it looks like there's the eyes and a little nose. Looks like a bird. So just applying the red now. This ash was just soaking up the colour. So I just poured it on. That worked. So the finish that I'm going to use on this, I do put some sanding sealer on, and then I use a yacht lacquer. 3 coats each side, and it's weatherproof. It's from Ronseal, I believe. Hashtag not sponsored. I've done another project and it worked out really well. So I thought, you know what, let's stick it on this one as well. And as I say, it does what it says on the tin. Thank you very much, everybody, and hopefully see you next time. Bye bye.